What's up YouTube, this is CobaltJustice bringing you another part of the Titanfall campaign. This time I'm going to be doing Mission 8. Enjoy.
Attention all pilots, this is your commanding officer, Vice Admiral Graves. Please stand by for a transmission from your employer, Mr. Hammond.
Are you receiving me, Graves?
Yes, sir. Proceed.
All loyal members of the IMC, I have been informed of the recent loss of our air support responsible for the security of Demeter. Rest assured I am presently fueling reinforcements to be dispatched from the core systems on the long jump to the frontier. You will hold the port of Demeter this day. You will crush the terrorists' last-ditch attempt at disrupting our civilization, and you will find yourselves relieved and rewarded tomorrow. Vice Admiral Graves, our world is in your hands.
Yes, sir. All pilots, prepare for battle.
Graves to all personnel. Demeter is the gateway to the frontier. By attacking our largest refueling depot, the militia thinks they can shut the door on us. You will correct that perspective. Graves out.
Pilots, defend the hardpoints at all costs. If the militia overload the reactor core, it's all over. Strap
Anvil
in.
1 is to go. Anvil 2 standing by. Anvil 3 is good to go. Anvil 4 is to go. I hate this part. Cut the chatter. Initiating drop sequence.
Separation confirmed. Stand by. Approaching shock layer. Impact in 3, 2, 1, depart.
Pilots, I'm taking over operations for Sergeant Bliss. This is a hardpoint battle. Hold the hardpoint so we can shut down the reactor core before the militia can trigger a meltdown. If they succeed, the resulting chain reaction will destroy Demeter and prevent IMC reinforcements from reaching the frontier for years. Sir, militia forces are attempting to divert power to detonate the reactor core.
Can you disrupt them remotely, Spyglass?
Of course, Vice Admiral. Although a manual overload will still be possible. Pilot, your Titan will be ready in 60 seconds. Pilot, your Titan will be ready in 30 seconds.
Level 1 safety protocol engaged. Core shutdown progress at 25%.
Reactor core shutdown at 25%. Continue at present progress. Back to this terminal. Reducing core pressure. Titan online. Well done. We have stabilized core pressure for this section and begun cooling procedures. core shutdown at 50%. Maintain control of the hardpoints.
Warning. Threats attacking. Warning. Heavy damage incoming.
Incoming transmission. It is McAllen. Patching in.
Open your eyes, Marcus. You could have stopped me 15 years ago. Instead, you gave me the ship.
Warning. A hostile
Sir, I've got the bastard in my sights. I'm going after him. Stand by.
Blisk, hold your fire. You're gonna rupture a coolant circuit and blow the place to hell. Hand-to-hand combat only. Move.
With pleasure, sir.
Well done. We have stabilized core pressure for this section and begun cooling procedures. Reactor mainframe 50% re-established. Replacement Titan is ready for launch. Signal when ready. I have patched in, restoring normal core pressure near the terminal.
Core shutdown progress.
Override of unauthorized users at 50%. Replacement Titan online. Signal when ready. Vice Admiral Graves, I am picking up a spike in the reactor core. McAllen.
Vice Admiral, McAllen's locked himself in the reactor core chamber. He'll be bloody dead in minutes. That chamber's completely irradiated.
Blisk, there's nothing you can do. Get to your ship and get out of there.
Marcus, I've got the reactor system pulse detonate, and all the coolant in the system isn't gonna save this place anymore.
Vice Admiral Graves, McAllen has destabilized the core. Shutting down the reactor now will cause a reverse pulse detonation. This will result in the destruction of Demeter. The situation is untenable. We are winning the battle by a significant margin. Maintain the current operational tempo to achieve victory. Command authenticated. Stand by for Titanfall.
AI offline. Pilot mode engaged.
Pilots, the core is going critical. We're sending evac ships to your location. We're gonna get you out of there.
Negative. Executing command override. Evacuation dropships. Cancel.
Damn it, Spyglass! What the hell do you think you're doing?
All capital ships. Autopilot engaged. Forcing jump to minimum safe distance.
Marcus, you told me 15 years ago on board the Odyssey to take the ship. Now I'm giving you the same choice. They'll follow you, Marcus. Just lead them. They can't forgive a former IMC. Look at me.
He really believes he can turn you, sir.
It's up to you now, my friend. Take the ship.
On the frontier today, the IMC's port of Demeter was attacked by militia insurgents. Reports are sketchy, but indications are that the refueling facilities sustained major damage in the battle. Numerous casualties are
They just cut us off from the core systems. We're stuck on the wrong side of the frontier, sir. Yes, we are.
The whereabouts of several high-ranking officers involved in the conflict, including Vice Admiral Marcus Graves, is presently unknown.
Attention all pilots.